In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free email with mail.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is head on over to mail.com. So open up a web browser and put in mail.com. From here, we're going to be greeted by a page that looks similar to this. And then on the top right hand side of the page, there's going to be a sign up button. So go ahead and click on sign up, and now this is totally free. Now from here we want to go ahead and fill out this form. So put in your first name, last name, date of birth, and then choose next, like so. Then from here it will say choose your email address. So as you can see, I can use this one here, luke.g@mail.com, and just below that you can see this is free. Or you can try your own idea. So if you don't like the one that they've given you, you can put in your desired email address, and then you can choose if we want it at mail.com or email.com, at usa.com, etc, etc. Also at jobs, accountant.com, and all this stuff too. So I'm just going to keep this mail.com, and I'm just going to see if Luke G is available. So I can go ahead and click on check. Beautiful, that is available. From here, choose Miss, Mr, or other. So I'm obviously a Mr, and I'm from Australia, and then click next. Then from here we need to choose a strong password, and this password needs to be at least 8 characters in length. So go ahead and put in your strong password. Then from here, put in a phone number. So chuck in your phone number here, and then click on to next. And then we protect your information. So click I am human. You might need to go for a verification. So I'm just going to move that light bulb like so. Then click agree and continue. Then after that, we should be redirected to the inbox in mail.com. So just give that a few moments to load. Yep, there we go. Registration successful. You'll be logged in automatically. Then from here, we can go ahead and click onto save if using Google Chrome to make login easier at a later date. Click on activate your account. So as it states, almost done. Your new mailbox is already waiting for you. Simply click on the green button to activate your account and get started. So click on activate your account now. And here we go. So in the inbox of mail.com. So that's how to create a free email with mail.com.